Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This is a short video to update on one of the vital piece of information on India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, which is INS Vikrant, going for another new set of sea trials. To be more precise, INS Vikrant has started for another set of sea trials on January 9, 2022 to carry out complex maneuvers in high seas, and this is ahead of its planned induction into the Indian Navy by August 2022. This aircraft carrier began its sea trials on 4th August 2021, and this maiden voyage of sea trials was successfully completed on 8th August 2021. Again, on 24th October 2021, the ship began the second phase of trial and successfully completed the sea trial, meeting all required parameters. According to Navy spokesperson Commander Vivek Madhwal, Vikrant aircraft carrier is now sailing to undertake complex maneuvers to establish specific readings of how the ship performs in various conditions, and also various sensor suits of the ship would also be tested. All these testings and evaluations are very vital to be checked before the ship is commissioned by August 2022 tentatively. Flight trials of its aircraft complement are expected to be completed by mid 2023, after which the ship will be fully operational. Making this aircraft carrier's commissioning is very important for India to prove that even they can build such complex and costly ships indigenously and become part of the group of countries having capabilities to build such a state-of-the-art aircraft carriers. While the maiden sea trials were to establish the propulsion, navigational suite, and basic operations, the second sea trial witnessed the ship being put through its paces in terms of various machinery trials and flight trials. So let's hope INS Vikrant finishes the expected sea trials at the earliest and clear all constraints, which will clear its path for getting commissioned into the Indian Navy very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.